Bonjour! Today we'll make a classic from the French Alps of Savoie, tartiflette, a cheesy casserole loaded with bacon, white wine and potatoes. Easy to make, and I promise to butcher every single French pronunciation while I do it. If that sounds fun, I think we should jump into it. It all starts with some delicious smoked bacon. Try and avoid some cheap diced up bacon from the supermarket. This dish has so few ingredients that we can afford spending a little extra on the meat. Remove the skin and dice it up. Add some oil to a pan and get the bacon in. We want to give it a bit of color and render all of that rich fat for the onion and potatoes. So meanwhile, peel some onions and slice them up. Precision is not really needed here, so this is my type of cooking. Get the onions in with the bacon, coat them in the fat and let them soften a bit. And while this is happening, we'll peel the potatoes and chop them up. Here you can make them the size you like. Get the potatoes in a pan and mix it up with the rest. We need to give the potatoes some time to cook, and if they brown a bit, don't sweat it. That gives us time to look at our cheese. The traditional tartiflette is made using Reblochon cheese, a cheese done on raw cow's milk. And this whole dish is actually invented by the company behind this cheese, sometime back in the 80s. And if you can't find this in your local supermarket, go for Gruyere or raclette cheese. And let me know how it went. Most important, you'll need one wheel for 4 servings. Just split it in 2 and dice up just 1/2 of it. Back to the potatoes. Season with pepper and nutmeg. Be aware that the bacon is already salty, so be careful if adding more. Finally, add a good amount of dry white wine and let it simmer for a few minutes. Now we can mix the diced cheese in and arrange the other half of the cheese nicely on top with the crust upwards. Get it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 15 minutes. Et voila! Creamy cheesy tartiflette. Fantastic in the winter, but I tell you that I can eat this all year round. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.